Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is November the 14th, 2019. I think I got a good one for each and every one of you. We have the stock to flow creator. He is expecting or predicting, based off his model that he created, that Bitcoin is going to see an exponential surge next week, preferably on Thursday, November 21st, 2019. So we're going to look at this article right here. And as we always do on this channel, we like to certify what we read. And the best way for you to do that is by looking at the price chart. So we're going to go ahead and look at the price chart after we go through this article to see if Plan B's prediction model is actually accurate. Okay. So first, this article with the title has already instilled in the reader's mind that they are expecting the price of Bitcoin to move higher next week. So we definitely need to see that come into market on the price chart. All right, so keep that in mind. Plan B, who is the creator of the stock to flow model for Bitcoin, took to his Twitter account to show a chart with the details of Bitcoin adjustment levels over the last 7 years. Now, based off this adjustment level and his model, the difficulty in the Bitcoin hash rate should decrease. And whenever the market decreases in the Bitcoin hash rate or the difficulty to mine Bitcoin, the price seems to shoot up, according to his article. Now, these adjustments usually happen every other week and are done to make sure that there is a new block mined on the chain every 10 minutes. Plan B's chart show decreases and increases as blue and red dots. According to the chart, the price of Bitcoin seemed to jump a bit whenever a decrease in difficulty is immediately followed by an increase. Now, the next paragraph, based on that estimate, the next difficulty adjustment is expected on November 21st, 2019, which is on Thursday. If he's right, Plan B, the Bitcoin market should at least witness a 4% jump in price. Then it goes into a subsection titled, "Has this been consistent?" Maybe not. Someone pointed out to Plan B that the previous bubbles in Bitcoin, even the one to where Bitcoin made all-time highs, did not follow that method precisely. And once it was pointed out to him, Plan B retweeted another user tweet which seemed to warn the community of the chance that there is no immediate jump in price with the halving. So now Plan B is backtracking, contradicting himself somewhat in the prediction of Bitcoin moving higher. That is one reason why articles are pointless, because it plays both sides of the fence. It doesn't give you a biased article and substantiating the way in which they expect a cryptocurrency to go. At the very bottom of this article, it's important to know, however, that Bitcoin's difficulty has adjusted a bit since the first tweet and has now dropped all the way down to negative 0.8%, meaning that last week's blue dot is not followed by a red one. All we can do now, according to this article, is wait for next week. No, you don't have to wait to next week, because the price chart has already told you precisely what it's going to do. So let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin's price chart right now, and then we'll make a determination as to whether or not Bitcoin is trending stronger or weaker. Okay. So now, looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, you all can see right here that Bitcoin is giving us a lot of indications of weakness. All right, zooming in right there. And even on our last video here on YouTube, we have been expecting the market in Bitcoin to continue to see lower prices. It's quite obvious from the last couple of trading days that the market in Bitcoin is not insinuating any strength. So yes, right now, the market in Bitcoin does not look preferably strong. looking at Bitcoin on the weekly price chart, you can still see, even by today being Thursday, that the market in Bitcoin is still insinuating a lot of weakness. And as a matter of fact, we're eyeing the market in Bitcoin trying to come to $8,400 around that particular area to try to find some support initially. And the weekly time frame is not giving us any strength. Daily time frame is not giving us any strength. So let's check it on the monthly time frame. Looking here on the monthly time frame, Bitcoin is still not giving us any indications of strength. If anything, the market is still trending weaker. From the months of September, July, August, all the way to June, the market has been indicating weakness. So I'm not seeing, by the price chart, any indication of any exponential surge in price in Bitcoin right now. Those multiple time frames that we just looked at is still reflecting Bitcoin's weakness. We haven't seen a change occur yet. So by this article, we do not need to wait until next week. The price chart is depicting that the market in Bitcoin is weak. Unless something changes from now until Thursday of the 21st of November, the expectation, as we have already depicted on our price chart, is weakness and movement to the downside. So I'm not going to change my price forecast in Bitcoin just yet. Yes, we're seeing a profitable move in Bitcoin right now according to our forecast. I still think we got a little bit lower to move before any readjustment will need to be made. All right. So I just wanted to come in and show you all this article from Plan B and the stock to flow model that many Bitcoin maximalists look to as the price forecast in Bitcoin. For us, we look at the price chart solely. And I want you to tell me, by looking at that article, do you think Bitcoin is looking to make a substantial movement higher in price next week? Let us know, as always, with a comment in the comment section of this video. We definitely appreciate you all subscribing, liking our videos, sharing our videos. And I also want to make mention to join us on our website, HueFinancial.com. We definitely got a lot more other forecasts, whether it's in the stock market, commodities, gold, silver, even more cryptocurrencies. And if you're concerned about cryptocurrencies paired against Bitcoin, we definitely have a paid service that only our members are able to get of our expectations, our price forecast for the altcoins that's paired against Bitcoin. So if that sounds of interest to you, I definitely want to remind you that that option is available. All you have to do is go to our website, sign up, pick one of our packages. The starter package is the one to where you just get the top 10 altcoins paired against Bitcoin. Our other package is where you get the remaining half of our forecasts, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP pairs, stocks, commodities. That's where we put all our other information to that is not privy to no one else. So I just wanted to make sure that you all have that available to you. And if that sounds of interest to you, definitely go ahead and go to our website, click on that link that's in the description of this video, and subscribe and join and follow our new community. Because our purpose is to make sure that we do things simple and easy to understand and comprehend. Because for what I'm seeing in the landscape of trading and investing, people maintain that the bigger jargon that you use in your language and your dialect somehow makes you an expert, or the more indicators that you place on your chart, the more expert you are at technical analysis. We claim that we do not follow technical analysis. We follow language analysis, the simplistic way of determining where price is going to go. So we definitely want to make sure that you stay in tune with us and continue to follow us. Hit that bell notification on our videos, because you will learn things that you will not get anywhere else. So, with all that being said and mentioned, let's look forward to next week to see the price action of Bitcoin. Make sure you all maintain your profitability. And as always, I'll see you all on the next one.